Hi, first graders. It's Mrs. Compton again, and we're gonna do some math. But before we do our number talk, I want you to get your man-made tools ready. Get your fingers ready. We're gonna do a little finger work before we start today. All right, so I'm going to show you a number on my fingers, and I want you to show me the matching number to make 10. So for example, if I show you 5 fingers, you're going to show me 5 fingers on your end because 5 plus 5 makes 10. All right, so if I were to show you 1 finger, what would you show me? All right, let's see them. Did you show me 9 fingers? Count them up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5, and then these 4 over here, right? Okay, we're gonna go for another one. I'm gonna show you. What are you showing me? Show it. Closer. Let me see it. Is it 7? Yes. If you're showing me 7, you got the match. So 7 and then 3 more make 10. So 7 plus 3 make 10. All right. Let's see if I can give you a hard one. How about this one? I'm showing you 5 and 3 more. So you need to show me what? Show it. Quick. Let me see it. Did you show me 2? That's right. 8 plus 2 more make 10. So these are our friends of 10, right? 1 matches 9 to make 10. 2 matches 8 to make 10. 3 matches 7 to make 10. 4 matches, we didn't do that one, 6 to make 10. So you can see I have 6 and then these 4 right here. All right, and I know you already know 5 plus 5 makes 10. All right, so these are friends of 10. These are very important to know because it really helps us think if we can think in tens. All right, so we are going to start with our number talk today. And our first one is 9 plus 5 plus 1. Everybody hit pause so you have time to think about this one. Okay, I'm ready. Are you ready? Did you hit pause? You better hit pause. Okay, on the count of 3, ready? 1, 2, 3, tell me. Can you tell me again? My dog was barking. Oh, 15? Did you say 15? Okay, let's see. Oh, you said you found a 10. I saw it. Okay, so maybe you knew 9 plus 1 made a 10. And then maybe you said 10 plus 5 equals 15. And maybe you knew that because 10 fingers plus 5 toes would make 15. Did anyone use fingers and toes? I know some of you out there are. Okay, so let's try out another one. 8 plus 9 plus 1. 8 plus 9 plus 1. Ooh. Did you find another 10? I guess I'm being tricky. There's a 10 in there again, isn't there? If I put a little join right here, if I join these together and get 10, I have an easy 10 that I've made, and now I just have to add 8 more. So now I have 8 plus 10. 8 plus 10 is 18. Is that true? So 8 plus 10 is 18. Very nice. I have another guess. Maybe some of you actually did a little something else. Maybe some of you said, I could steal 1 out of the 8 and then have 7 left. So 8, if you steal 1 away, you would have 7 left, right? The 7 plus 1 still makes 8. And maybe you made a 10 right there. And then you had 7 plus 10 plus 1. And then you knew that was 18. You guys are probably getting pretty good at finding 10s everywhere. That's my guess. Okay, so let's see. I wonder if there will be 10s that you find today. Don't forget, you can use your numbers or your fingers to count with numbers. All right, so Today I have a story, and I have to say hi to Mrs. Yerke's class. And this story is about baking cookies. And I know during quarantine, a lot of us started baking, right? Did you bake at home a lot? We had cookies, we had bread. Everybody was making bread. Do you remember that? All right, so I'm going to say hi to Mrs. Yerke's class. And today in our story, we have Lola. Hi, Lola. And actually, her mom's in the story too. After school, Lola and her mom made cookies. They made chocolate chip cookies, sugar cookies, and peanut butter cookies. How many cookies did they make in all? All right. So I read the story, but I don't quite have the picture in my mind yet. I usually have to read the story a couple of times, and then I have the picture in my head. So that might be the case for you too. So let's look at our numbers, choose a set, and then make sure we really get the picture in our head. All right, so we might choose from 2, 7, and 8, 12, 7, and 8, 12, 7, and 18. Okay, so I think I'm going to choose 2, 7, and 8. All right, now I'm going to read the story and I'm going to make sure I have the picture in my mind. Okay, so let's read it again. After school, Lola and her mom made cookies. Okay, can we imagine making cookies? Okay, they made 2 chocolate chip cookies. Okay, count them in your head. 1, 2. Okay, 2 chocolate chip, and then 7 sugar cookies. Those are usually the white cookies that have frosting all over them. Okay, so 7 of those. And then 8 peanut butter cookies. All right, so they had 8 peanut butter cookies. Okay, so we know for sure they had 2 chocolate chip, 7 sugar cookies, and 8 peanut butter cookies. Now, peanut butter cookies happen to be my favorite out of that group of cookies, so I'm glad that there's the most of those. Okay, so we have to figure out how many cookies Lola and her mom made all together. 2 chocolate chip, 7 sugar, 8 peanut butter. All right, kids, you pick out that number set. Remember, it's just like picking a just right book. You have to make sure the numbers match what you feel is just right for you. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.